Hey, what's up, everybody? This video is going to be a little different, actually far different than I normally do. But I wanted to wait to the perfect time that I had the hiccups and show you a hack how you can get rid of the hiccups. All right. Drinking water, getting startled, or hanging upside down. All those things may work, but it never worked for me. And I actually developed this when I was a kid, around 7 or 6, something like that. All right, so all you need are 3 things. The first thing that you're gonna need is patience. You're gonna need patience, all right? Second thing that you're gonna need is a quiet environment. So you're gonna need an environment, maybe your bedroom, no kids around, just you and quietness, or maybe a private area in your office, somewhere where it's quiet when you won't have any distractions. Funny enough, my hiccups are not coming right now. I wonder why. Maybe because I'm talking about this. Hopefully it didn't go away. And the last thing that you're going to need is 30 seconds of concentration. 30 seconds to a minute of concentration. All right, so the first thing is patience, because it may take more than a few tries before you master this. All right, so patience, then you're gonna need to have a quiet area. Again, very quiet area, no distractions. All right, and the last thing you're gonna need is time, which is gonna be 30 seconds of total concentration. All right, once you have those 3 things, you should be good to go. And all you're gonna need to do, it's gonna sound weird at first, but the more you do it, it's going to be part of you. It's gonna be something that's really simple. I think mine's actually went away right now, which is not what I wanted to do this and capture it on video, but the concept and the steps are still the same. So what you're gonna do is for those 30 seconds or to a minute, you're gonna anticipate, you're gonna sit there quietly and maybe look at the ground or look at your desk and just concentrate and anticipate when the next hiccup is going to come. I know that sounds weird, but it works. You anticipate and you keep anticipating the next hiccup. You would be telling yourself, all right, hiccup, where are you? Why haven't you come up yet? Are you coming any moment from now? You're going to be telling these weird things to yourself, anticipate the next hiccup. And you're going to be doing that, not necessarily verbally, but in your mind. You're gonna be telling yourself this for the 30 seconds to a minute. Again, no quietness, because somebody could come knock on the door and throws the whole thing off. If you keep anticipating and telling yourself for those 30 seconds to a minute, where's the next hiccup? Where's the next hiccup? Where's the next hiccup? Is the hiccup coming? I thought you were here. You know, just telling yourself that mentally, you will see within 30 seconds to a minute, it will just disappear. In fact, you'll feel it kind of go down inside of your chest and pretty much head down towards your belly. It's almost like a burp that's going reverse. That's how it's gonna feel like, all right? So just anticipate that next hiccup. Anticipate it for those 30 seconds. Again, no noise, no distractions. For 30 seconds to a minute, just wait for the next hiccup and just keep telling yourself that the next one is coming, the next one is coming, the next one is coming. And if you do that for 30 seconds straight to 1 minute, again, you're gonna feel that hiccup go away. It works. I had a couple of my coworkers try this. They thought I was crazy and they did it and they were happy. You know, it's not all the time you're gonna have water with you or someone to startle you or hang up upside down or do headstands and things like that. You're not gonna have those opportunities all the time, even at the quiet situation that I'm explaining here. But this seems to work best. All the other ones didn't work for me. So if you can do this, you can hack your hiccup into stopping mentally. All right, so give it a try. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I was hoping to actually demonstrate it here, but as I started talking, it just went away. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to demonstrate it for you, but it does work. If you have questions about it, or if you're just want to know more information about it, just ask me and I'll tell you in the comment section. Again, this is a different type of video and I wanted to catch this live, or I won't necessarily say live, but I want to catch this on film get this recorded and posted and share it out to you guys. But let me know your thoughts. This is my hack to get rid of hiccups for your WizTech Tip Tuesday tip.